Hey there! Are you someone who enjoys starting your day with a healthy breakfast? Well, hold on. Some foods that seem healthy might not be the best for your empty stomach. Today, we'll uncover the top 10 foods you should never eat on an empty stomach. And believe me, number 7 will surprise you. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could change the way you start your mornings forever. Let's get started. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is great for your skin and immune system. But did you know that eating them on an empty stomach can be harmful? The high acidity in these fruits can irritate the lining of your stomach and cause discomfort, especially if you're prone to heartburn. Research suggests that the acidic nature of citrus can lead to gastritis over time if consumed on an empty stomach. So, it's better to pair these fruits with a balanced meal or snack instead. Number 2. Spicy foods. Who doesn't love a little kick in their food? Spicy foods can make meals exciting, but they're a bad idea for an empty stomach. Spices like chili peppers contain capsaicin, which can stimulate your digestive system too quickly. This can cause stomach irritation or even pain. Studies show that spicy foods on an empty stomach can increase acid production, leading to digestive issues like acid reflux. Instead, save your spicy meals for later in the day when your stomach is ready for it. Number 3. Raw vegetables. Vegetables are usually seen as a healthy choice, but not when eaten raw first thing in the morning. Raw veggies are rich in fiber, which is great for digestion, just not when your stomach is empty. The high fiber content can be difficult for your digestive system to handle and may cause bloating or gas. A study from the Journal of Digestive Health suggests that cooking vegetables before eating them helps your stomach process them better, especially early in the day. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are often seen as a perfect breakfast food, but they might not be the best choice for an empty stomach. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, which can make you feel sluggish if eaten on an empty stomach because they rapidly increase the levels of these minerals in your bloodstream. This sudden spike could throw off your body's balance, leading to discomfort. Number 5. Coffee. You might be surprised to see coffee on this list. While it's a morning staple for many, drinking coffee on an empty stomach can actually harm your digestive system. Coffee is acidic, and when consumed without food, it can irritate your stomach lining and increase acid production. Over time, this could lead to issues like gastritis. Dear friends, if you want to know which foods you should avoid when you drink coffee, you can watch. Never drink coffee with these 7 foods. It can cause serious illness in our channel, link in description, and of course, in the end screen. Let's start again. Number 6. Sugary foods. Sugary foods can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and hungry. On an empty stomach, the effects are even more pronounced. Research has shown that eating sugar-heavy foods in the morning can disrupt your body's insulin levels, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes in the long run. Instead of sugary snacks, opt for complex carbs and proteins that provide lasting energy. Number 7. Yogurt. Now this one might shock you. Yogurt is usually seen as a healthy option, but on an empty stomach it's not ideal. Yogurt contains good bacteria that support gut health, but an empty stomach's acidic environment can kill these bacteria before they even get to work. A study from Gut Health Journal suggests that consuming yogurt after a meal helps the probiotics survive and thrive, benefiting your digestive system more effectively. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants like lycopene, but their high acid content can spell trouble for your empty stomach. Eating tomatoes on an empty stomach can cause discomfort or even heartburn, especially if you're prone to acid reflux. Studies show that the acid in tomatoes can interact with your stomach acid, leading to bloating and indigestion. It's best to enjoy tomatoes with other foods that can help neutralize their acidity. Number 9. Pears. Pears are delicious and packed with fiber, but their rough fiber content can be hard on your stomach lining when it's empty. This can lead to stomach pain or bloating. The American Journal of Nutrition notes that pears are best eaten with other foods to ease digestion and prevent discomfort. If you love pears, try pairing them with a small protein-rich snack to help balance out their fiber content. Number 10. Carbonated drinks. Soda for breakfast. It happens more often than you think. But carbonated drinks can irritate your stomach lining and produce excess gas, leading to bloating. A study from Digestive Health Monthly found that drinking soda on an empty stomach can also lead to heartburn or even ulcers over time. Instead of reaching for a fizzy drink, try hydrating with water or herbal teas that are gentle on your stomach. Bonus tip. Now for that bonus tip I promised you. Try drinking warm water with a slice of lemon after having a light snack. This simple habit can help jumpstart your digestion, flush out toxins, and boost your metabolism without irritating your stomach. It's a much gentler way to introduce citrus into your diet in the morning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.